Can I keep my doctors? Is one of the many important questions you may have as you transition to Medicare. The good news is that it's likely not much more complicated than when you've switched insurers in the past. First, ask your current doctors or specialists if they accept Medicare, and if so, which specific plans. You'll also want to confirm that they are taking new Medicare patients. While your doctor's office can't recommend a specific plan for you, they can tell you which plans they accept. Second, you'll need to decide whether to enroll in Medicare Advantage or Medicare Supplement, also known as Medigap. Advantage plans typically provide full benefits only within a specified network. This means you'll have to select and see an in-network primary care doctor before you can get specialist referrals. A licensed agent can also help you confirm if a particular provider is in-network for a Medicare Advantage plan. If you opt for a Medicare Supplement plan, however, you'll likely be able to see specialists without a referral, as long as they're accepting Medicare patients. But there are trade-offs to consider, including differences in out-of-pocket costs and coverage between Medicare Advantage and Medicare Supplement. So it may be helpful to speak with a licensed agent to understand your options. Keeping your doctors when you move to Medicare doesn't have to be overwhelming. To get started, follow the steps we've outlined. We've got some helpful articles that further explain this. Just look for the link below the video. If you get stuck or just want to make sure you're on the right track, please reach out and we'd be happy to help you. Just ask Claire.